What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So first things first, like I said, I have already placed the order for my next sneaker from the top 5 that we are in process of completing. And also apart from that, like you already saw the thumbnail, we have a crazy unboxing. No points for guessing this one. I'm sure most of you guys have understood what it is. But before we do that, Vax, I think what time ho gaya na since we've done a giveaway or something? Yeah. So do you think we should do like a month-long giveaway जैसे last time नहीं किया था? If we get certain standard for certain videos in the month, then we give away a pair of sneakers for each of them. What do you think? Alright, so what we'll do is that for every video throughout the month of October that gets 15,000 plus views and 1500 likes, I will give away a pair of sneakers for each such video. Now, if the video reaches that target before I upload the next video, then we'll pick the winner in the next one. If not, then we will wait for the month to end, and probably in the last week or the last 2-3 days we'll see how many videos have crossed 15,000 views and 1500 likes, and then we'll probably give away say 4, 5, 6 or how many of our videos cross that benchmark, that many pairs of sneakers to that many people from you guys. So here is the package that we have today. Like I said, no points for guessing this one. Most of you are smart enough to understand since I said it is a Vax, देखो मैंने पहले भी 25 बार बोला है कि मैं एक हाथ में कैमरा है, एक हाथ में यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा बॉक्स है, मैं उठाऊँ कैसे? Useless. Yep. So here it is, the crazy Vax sneaker unboxing. You know the drill. Alright, so here is the box. This time I have already pre-cut the packaging because that knife is very funny and I don't want to use that again and again. Remove the bullshit. Here is the box. Obviously it's Yeezy, and as you can see, these are the ulta hai kya? Ulta nahi lag raha? Okay, these are the recently released Yeezy knit runners. Now, as much as I am excited to see these, by the way, not a lot of people have done the unboxing yet on YouTube, and I did see a video or two. I think Seth Fowler did his review, but either ways that was too technical, so I'm very excited to see how they look in hand. Personally, I am kinda confused. Honestly speaking, I'm a kind of a supporter of all the futuristic and new Yeezy designs, and going by the look of it, I think they look pretty cool. Now all we have to do is get into the box and see how they actually feel in hand, and there's a lot of confusion about the sizing and stuff like that. The pricing is kinda crazy right now, so we'll obviously discuss about all of that. Oh God. I think this is going to be a problem. What else in the box? Some tags from StockX. Obviously, I got them from StockX. This is the tag for the shoe. It does not come on it because there's no place actually to put them on. So yeah, leave that in the box. That's it. A basic box like the Yeezy slides or the Yeezy Quantums or any other Yeezy that comes out. They have the Yeezy Knit Runner written on this side, Knit Runner written right on the top with the sizing. Now the sizing says it's a US 7, which is a UK 6.5. So there is the first mistake that I think I have made, because I thought they're going to be like foam runners. In the case of foam runners, US 7 is UK 7. But unfortunately, this is what it is. I have got it now, and I think they're definitely going to be tight for me. So yeah, let's put the box aside. Just to sum it up very quickly, the sizing is like Yeezy 350 V2s in terms of the numbers. Now, how do they actually fit on feet? We're going to take a look in a bit. So, these, bro, don't you think this looks like a fucking banana? इसको ऐसे peel करेंगे तो अंदर से banana निकलेगा और वो ऊपर ऐसे हर्ष को खिला देंगे. Alright, so these are the knit runners. Now you have this thing inside, obviously, to keep them in shape or whatever. This, remove this and get it out of the way like we usually do. Okay, so going by the look of it, it feels very hard. In fact, I thought it's going to be same like foam runners, which is kind of soft, but I think this is probably because they have painted on the foam runner on the knit material, and it's got hardened or some shit like that. It's weird. It's very weird to touch in the first time. What is this? Oh, there's a StockX tag. Verified by StockX. निकाल दूँ ना? वैसे I don't know if I want to keep these because honestly speaking they look very weird in hand, and also I'm sure I've got the wrong size, so I don't know what will we do about that. Either ways, I don't know what to say about this. यार बोलूँ क्या मैं? Let me put my hand inside and see. So yeah, like I said, the whole upper is in knit and it's painted, and it feels very very hard to touch. I don't think the sole has any sort of boost because again I don't see any cushioning. So I think what we have to do first is put them on feet, and probably then we will be able to talk about the comfort and the sizing and things like that. But overall, going by the look, I don't think it's as bad. You have your sizing written on this side of the shoe, and that's about it. The usual Easy Adidas branding on the inside, the Adidas branding on the outsole, and that's it. This feels more like a orangish yellow or a mustard sort of a colorway. Goes great with my hoodie though. This was pre-planned actually. So yeah, let's quickly put them on feet. I have some really bad news because these are absolutely terrible on feet. It feels like there is a huge stack of hardened foam over your feet, and it kind of feels like your feet are choking inside. And yes, the sizing is very bad. I mean, I did wear the UK 6.5 black static. It was okay. It was a little tight, but kind of okay. But I cannot even imagine putting these on with a pair of socks. Talking about comfort, it is zero. Absolutely no comfort on the inside because there is no boost. And the reason we like Easy is because of the boost sole. So that's a downer. Sizing, to be honest, I think if you are going to wear with a very thin socks, then you should probably go half size up. So probably I would have gone for UK 7.5 to wear it with thin socks, but if you want to wear it with the proper, those padded socks and stuff, then you'll have to probably go up by 2 sizes. Anyways, this is the first colorway. It is dropped for the first time, so the prices are kinda on the high. It's about $400+ for any given sizing or the most common sizes. I got mine for roughly about 450, I think, or 500. Because I was in a hurry to get them, to check them out. And yes, I ordered from StockX directly to India, so I paid duties and stuff like that, and it ended up coming to about $750-800 for me. But no regrets on that part because obviously I wanted to make this video for you guys, so we did it. That's what we do. So yes, overall my opinion, it's absolutely no for these sneakers or sandals or pair of stones for your feet or whatever you call it. It's absolutely bullshit and terrible. I mean, if you're getting it for retail, then you could probably take it to try it just to get your hands on it, how it feels, so that probably you're prepared for the nicer colorways that come out in the future. But if you are paying anything above retail, then it's an absolute waste of money. What do you think, Vax? What is your opinion? दिखने में कैसे लग रहा है देखो? I mean, apart from the fact that केले जैसा है, but वैसे क्या लगता है देखो? Do you think you could wear this? No. See, you cannot wear it. I can wear it, but they are not nice. They are not nice. So should we keep them or should we flip them? Flip. But for the sake of you guys, I will put it on feet once again. I will take an outfit picture just in case there are some people out there who really like it and you just want to see basically how would you quickly put it on with an outfit. So I'll do it for the sake of that only. So yeah, that's all about these sneakers. Harsh is here, back from office. Harsh, I have something for you. क्या? केला. ए, वैक्स इसको पील करके दे. हाँ, उसको खाना है बोल रहा है. ये क्या बकवास कर रहे हो? तो. What do you think? How are they?
Feels very weird.
Feels very weird. Don't eat it. ये खा मत, मजाक कर रहा था.
पागल हो क्या खा रहा हूँ? ये क्या मटेरियल है?
ये वो है, इसको बोलते हैं निट. निट के ऊपर पहले नहीं पहले फोम है, हार्डेंड फोम, उसके ऊपर निट, उसके ऊपर पेंट. तो अभी तो उसको पील करके खा सकता है. तू एक काम कर, तू पहले चिंपैंजी का सूट पहन के.
क्यों?
फिर ये पील करके खिलाएंगे ना तेरे को।
बकवास मत करो यार।
अच्छा, seriously, what is your opinion about this? Very quickly, this video has already become too long. Give your final opinion about the shoe and then we will call it a
आपने
day.
पहन के देखा?
Obviously पहन के देखा, पहन के नहीं देखूंगा तो
कैसा लगा?
मैं डिस्क्राइब
बोलो।
कैसे करूंगा?
नीचे से तो अच्छा लग
नहीं
रहा है।
ऐसे लग नहीं, कुछ नहीं, कोई बूस्ट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, सोल ही नहीं है साला, ऐसा लगता है पत्थर है। वो पत्थर की चप्पल होती थी ना पुराने जमाने में
And you
वैसे।
paid $700 for a पत्थर।
750 plus around. यार अपना काम है, ऐसा जॉब ना टू एजुकेट पीपल ना, बिकॉज आई पेड सो मेनी पीपल विल सी इट एंड नॉट बाय इट, दे विल सेव देयर मनी, सो इफ दे सेव मनी एंड आई स्पेंड मनी इट्स गुड,
अच्छा।
इट वर्क्स, दैट्स व्हाट इट इज फॉर. कॉप और ड्रॉप?
Drop.
Obviously drop bro.
Yeah.
अच्छा listen, by the way, I have announced a giveaway in the beginning of the video.
Okay.
क्योंकि वो बहुत टाइम हो गया था and we did not do a giveaway. So I have said that every video that crosses 15,000 views and 1,500 likes throughout October, we will give away that many pair of sneakers to people. Okay. So if 5 videos cross 15k views and 1,500 likes, we will give away 5 pairs of stickers. Obviously, we will give away Jordans, nothing else. So get ready to choose a lot of winners in this month. And people, if you want to win, then DM Harsh and tell him to make you win.
कुछ भी? ये यार ऐसा मत बोलो यार।
अच्छा अभी काम कर रुक जा, मुंह खोल.
अरे क्या कर रहे हो यार? अच्छा ये बात बताओ, साइजिंग कैसा है इसका?
साइजिंग बहुत खराब है. वो कैसे था स्लाइड्स में, आई वेंट 2 size up.
हाँ।
तो इसमें भी 2 size up जाना पड़ेगा. इट्स वेरी
फोम
वियर्ड.
रनर जैसा है कि?
फोम रनर जैसा नहीं, फोम रनर इज परफेक्टली फाइन, 2 size. But this is damn weird. You have to go 2 size
मैं
up.
भी सोच रहा हूँ ना।
Chume! Alright guys, so that's all for today. I hope you got a better understanding of the new easy knit runners and I hope I could help. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Harsh, peace तेरा.
अरे यार।
अरे करना ऐसा peace.
हट।